It's already been almost 2 years now since Husqvarna created a stir by releasing images of its first adventure travel motorcycle, the Norden 901. After receiving a resoundingly positive reception for its new concept, Husqvarna announced that they'll be moving forward with building the motorcycle. Since then, details have been scarce about the new motorcycle specs and features, but we do know it will be based on the KTM 890 adventure platform. Other than that, we have seen different spy shots floating around the internet showing it being tested around. A few weeks back, Husqvarna launched a series of videos to showcase what's going on behind the scenes. In the first episode, we met two Kiska designers, Italian Marcello Basilio and Frenchman Jules Fontville, who were responsible for transforming the Norden 901 from a vision to reality. Both united in their love for 80s rally bikes, Jules and Marcello were the perfect mix of passion and flair to bring Norden 901 to life. The video goes on to explore how Norden's inspiration came from rally and motocross bikes and how they integrated both class and modern design to create a completely new statement. They said, "We even took inspiration from the lightweight FC motocross range and tried to apply that philosophy to a bigger bike." The team wanted the Norden to be simple, progressive and approachable, something instantly recognizable. We have a typical ultra-modern round light. It's simple in itself, but it's rich of detail, enough to give you a completely new feeling, adds Marcello. All the while, the Kiska duo ensured function was followed by aesthetics, and they achieved by design that is truly Husqvarna, inspired by the rugged beauty of Scandinavia. As the Husqvarna marketing machine gets into full swing, the brand have released a new latest video for the new Norden 901. This time, we see it tearing around the volcanic plains of Iceland. There are two motorcycles in this video being piloted by some handy riders. One is 5 times Dakar winner Cyril Despres, and the other is extreme explorer Mike Horn, who has also raced Dakar on 4 wheels. As well as amazing views of the Iceland, the video really shows us how capable the new bike will be, especially in the right hands. At the time, we said it offers slightly softer, luxurious, even more real-time, sportier adventure. It's subtly more welcoming, especially now we have been seeing it do the business off-road. It clears that it's just as capable as its orange counterpart. Concentrating on the bike, it's clear that these machines are one step closer to the production, quite possibly even full production spec, and very little has changed between these and the first prototypes we saw 2 years ago. The biggest change, other than the fresh paint, is that the two-part split dash has gone in favor for more conventional TFT, although not the one from the 890 Adventure, with Husqvarna instead opting for the 5 inches full color unit from 1290 Super Duke-R. It's not real surprise to see a few items carry over from 890 accessories catalog, including the Akrapovic pipe. We are expecting Husqvarna to unveil 2 versions of the Norden, a more off-road and adventure-focused version with a high mudguard, longer travel suspension and dual sport tires, as well as a more touring focused model with shorter suspension, comfortier seat, larger screen and road bias tires. There's been no official word from Husqvarna on the release of these new bikes, but we'd expect them to be unveiled in the autumn to be in the dealerships for the spring 2022. So let us know in the comment section below, what do you feel about these prototypes? Do they excite you? Do you want to make them yours? Let us know in the comment section below, and we would like to have this great conversation with our followers as well. Till then, thank you so much. We'll get back to you with more beautiful motorcycles.